So what's up? Today we will make some nice things with PicsArt, and the first video of PicsArt will be about replacing the sky and making a photo look just epic. The first thing you need is actually a photo. The photo could be of you or of your friend or anybody else which you want to put on Instagram or wherever you want to put your photos. So the first thing I do is make the photo bigger so it's all over the camera, and let's start by cutting out the person. Actually here it's really simple. You just draw a line of the outside of the object and bam, play. Yeah, not play. Go to the next step. Now it has automatically seen some lines where it cuts out, but actually we don't like that because it's not what we want. So we can add something here, some more lines, so the water doesn't disappear and the sides doesn't disappear. All the red area is where it will cut it out. So let's do next. So now it saves a sticker, and the sticker is actually a photo without any sky now. And what we want is we want to add the epic sky, and let's add this. Click add, make it big. Make it big, and what we want is to make it a layer which is beneath the other layer. And we want the sky to be to one side, so the lightning is not on the person. And yeah, actually this is the basic step. So what we want next is to make the person's picture look similar to the sky. So what we will do is add some contrast and make the highlights down, and also take the brightness down so it's not standing out as much. Now we will take the saturation down, and actually it's getting closer. Just take some temperature down, and now it's kind of the same vibe. It's not perfect, but this is just a tutorial, and we will not go into the details. Now next we accept this, and what we will add is some nice effects. Okay, some okay, I'm looking for okay, here it is. Now we will add some lens flare, and we want some epic lens flare though it can be seen. Let's take this with the circles and put it here and make it like this, so the circles are around the person and it makes it just epic. And actually this is the final photo. Now we can save it and it's done, and I hope you will make some epic photos now with this nice tool, and let's see you on the next tutorial.